Hello students, today's lecture is do while loop in C. As I have already discussed while loop in C in my previous lecture. So do while loop is also similar to while loop. The only difference is it should at least execute once. It means if the condition is false, then also it should execute at least once. So in the do while loop, first the loop is executed, first the body of the loop is executed, and then the condition is checked. So let's discuss. So this is very similar to the while loop, except that the test occurs at the end of the body of the loop. So this is similar to while loop, and the only difference is here the test occurs after the body of the loop. In while loop, first we test, then we execute the body of the loop. But in do while loop, first the body of the loop will be executed and then the test will be done. So this guarantees that the loop is executed at least once before continuing. So it ensures that if the first condition is false, then also the loop will be executed at least once. So this is the difference between while and do while. That do while loop guarantees that the loop is executed at least once. So such a type of loop is frequently used in central control statement. This is used in central control conditions. So syntax of the do while loop is do statement and then condition. Do statement then while condition. Or if we have more than one statement, then we use curly braces. Do the statement, statement 1, statement 2, and so on, and in the last while and then condition and then semicolon. This is the syntax of the do while loop. So flowchart of the do while loop: start first body of the loop will be executed, then condition is checked. If the condition is true, then again the body of the loop will be executed, and then the condition is will again checked. If the condition is again true, then the body of the loop is executed again and the condition is checked. And if the condition is false, then it will go out of the loop and stop. So here this body of the loop, this should execute at least once if the first condition fails. So this is the flow chart of the do while loop. So let's discuss some programs. First program here, I have included two header files: standard input output.h and console input output.h, void main. So int, I have initialized the integer variable I with 1. So do, so it will first print the value of I, that is 1. It will print 1 here, then I is incremented, I becomes 2. 2 is less than 10, yes, it's true. Then again 2 is printed, and then I becomes 3. 3 is less than 10, yes, true. Then 3 got printed here and it becomes 4. 4 is less than 10, yes, true. Then again 4 got printed here and I becomes 5. 5 is less than 10, yes, true. Then again 5 got printed here and I becomes 6. So 6 is less than 10, equal to 10, yes, true. Then 6 got printed here and I becomes 7. So 7 is less than equal to 10, yes, true. Then 7 got printed here and I becomes 8. So 8 is less than equal to 10, yes, true. So 8 got printed here, so I becomes 9. So 9 is less than equal to 10, yes, true. So 9 got printed here, so it becomes 10. 10 is less than equal to 10, yes, true. Then 10 got printed here and it becomes 11. So is 11 less than equal to 10? No, condition is false. It will go out of loop. Out of loop, print this statement will be executed, that is new line, and gets a program ends here. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 got printed using this do while loop. Let's discuss another program. Here we will count the number of digits of a number. I have written a program to count the number of digits of a number. So include two header files. I have taken three integer variables, first n, then count, which is initialized with 0, and then rem is remainder. So enter the number of which you want to count the number of digits of that number. So do n equal to n divided by 10, count plus plus while n is greater than 0. So for example, if I execute this code, for example, enter the number. I have entered 5437. So 5437, 5437. So n mod n by 10. So if this is integer, it becomes 543 because 0.7 will be truncated. So count plus plus, count becomes 1. Then again 543 is greater than 0. So again we divide it by 10, it becomes 54. So count becomes 2. 54 is greater than 0. Again it becomes 5. Count becomes 3. 5 is greater than 0. Again it becomes 0. Count becomes 4. 0 is not greater than, so condition fails. It will come out of the loop. So number of digit equal to value of count, so value of count is 4, 4 got printed here. This is how we can calculate the number of digits of a number using do while loop. Let's have another program here. We have to enter the numbers and we will calculate, we will add those numbers, and if we enter 0, then we will stop entering the number. So I have included two header files. I have taken two integer variables, first num, second sum, which is initialized by 0. So enter a number and 0 stop. You have to enter a number, and if you enter 0, then it will stop. For example, we have entered 3. I have entered 3. So sum equal to sum plus num. So sum is 0. Sum becomes 3. So number is not equal to 0 because it is 3. Again enter the number. For example, I have entered 5. So 5 plus 3 becomes 8. So 5 is not 0. Then again it will the loop will execute, and for example enter a number. So I have entered 7. So 7 plus 8 becomes 15. So 15, then again 7 is not equal to 0, then it will again execute, uh, enter a number. So I have entered 8. So 8 plus 15 equal to 23. So 8 is not equal to 0. Sum value of sum is 23. Enter again number. So for example, I have entered 0, 0. So 23 plus 0 is 0. It is now it is equal to 0. So this comes out of the loop. So sum equal to 23 got printed here. Sum equal to 23. So this is the loop where while loop condition of the while loop, where condition is when until the number is not equal to 0, this loop is go on executing. When the number is equal to 0, then the control comes out of the loop. So this is how we can find the sum of that. We can enter numbers and find their sum. So this is what I have today about do while loop, its flowchart and program implementation. Thank you.